And then we go back to the story of Yusuf alayhi salam. Those same brothers are the ones who plotted because they were jealous. Jealous for what? Who gives elevation, status, wealth, and so on? It's Allah. So if you have a problem with Allah, then you've got a problem with yourself. Because Allah made you. When you work on your qualities and you start developing that compassion, the feeling for others, I am not the only one on earth. Wallahi, there are people far more valuable than I am on earth. There are people whom Allah loves more than He loves me. Perhaps on earth, there are. There are some whom I might come across, if I'm rude to them, what if that person's a friend of Allah? When I spread rumor about them, just what if that person is closer to Allah than I am? So go easy on the people. You never know who's who. Subhanallah. You never know who's who.